Hi everyone, my name is Edward Daniel. This is my second video about past tense and regular verbs ending in T or D. And let's get started. The first verb, counted,
counted,
suspended,
suspended,
contract, contracted, decided,
decided,
facilitated,
facilitated,
extracted,
extracted,
divided,
divided,
invaded,
invaded,
united,
united,
excited,
excited,
I don't know. In inhibited,
inhibited,
loaded,
loaded,
apprehended,
apprehended,
okay, avoided,
avoided,
extended,
extended,
invited,
invited,
exploded,
exploded,
extradited,
extradited,
exploited,
exploited,
compensate.
compensated.
Thank you everyone for see you later.